The Datadog office is right smack dab in the middle of Midtown Manhattan in Times Square. New York being one of the main tech hubs in the country and in the globe, it's a melting pot of culture, it's a melting pot of people.
The melting pot energy has a positive impact on the culture here in Datadog because we all come from different walks of life. So you're gonna bring a different perspective. And I think that's why when it comes to New York City being the headquarters, it gives us that advantage of not only just top talent, but we're having top tier talent of diversity of thought. Having so many people that think about things differently, we'll all look at the same problem, but we might all have different ways of coming to like a resolution. And I think with that, it's gonna make us pick the best solution for us to win.
We are a monitoring and observability company. We help our customers understand their systems and identify when things are going wrong, why they're going wrong.
I work as a software engineer at Datadog for about 4 years now. I started as an intern. I'm from Paris originally, but I just moved to New York a couple months ago to pursue my dream of being an engineer in New York.
My first impression of the office was that the views were incredible. I immediately went over to a window where I could see the entire Hudson River and the Statue of Liberty and took a photo of it.
It feels great to be in such an emblematic city, looking at some of the main sites that represent New York, that represent the history of New York. Feels like you're kind of in the center of the world.
I get to work in one of the coolest offices in the world, and I think it kind of recenters you and brings you at ease. Like, I can do this. I was hired here for a reason to do big things.
Datadog's amenities ensure that we have not only a successful day, but also a comfortable day at the office. Everything from any piece of tech you can imagine, to the Zoom rooms, to the couches, we have it all.
I have so many favorite office amenities and perks. Definitely all the unlimited snacks and beverages, the espresso machine, 10 out of 10. Also the lunches, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I think is a great perk to have.
I think that because of the kitchen design, a lot of people find themselves walking around the office a lot, and that is where they will primarily have a conversation, bump into a teammate that they're working on something with, and that allows them to check in real time without having to Slack or email.
When I'm on the 32nd floor in New York, in a high-rise building in Times Square, it really makes you feel like you're working for, one of the best companies in the world. But I did bring my mom and dad over just to visit the office. They were really happy to be able to come in and look at my office. Any child wants to have their parents come in and basically tell them that they're really happy for them. They're proud of what they've accomplished. And I think, being able to showcase how great this office is, how organized, how beautiful it really is a testament to your own abilities working at a company like this.